Guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to say in this quick video that Exitus Elite this Wednesday coming up, I think tomorrow, we're going to be having a webinar which we're going to be discussing all the new updates that are coming to Exitus Elite. Yes, this is an 8-year affiliate business that's still getting extremely good updates and to its platform. And I don't know how many, I've done many affiliate offers over the years, and I have never seen anything get updated as much as Exitus Elite. So it's been running for 8 years. We can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions, and all of our products are all training products. It has everything that you need to find success in Exitus Elite or any other affiliate business ever. I wish that I had Exitus Elite when I first started, because a lot of the stuff I learned from trial and error, and also asking questions of other successful people, of course. But Exitus Elite is, and I'm going to keep saying it in all my videos, I don't care. Exitus Elite is the best affiliate program that I've ever been a part of. So if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, the link to sign up is below, and you can also watch any one of my over 65, I think I have like 65 videos on Exitus Elite. That's how much I believe in this business and how much I love it. And you can also call me. Feel free to call me even before you join. I would like to talk to you. But yeah, Exitus Elite, an 8-year business, and it's still getting updated to this day. So, and the reason why it's so successful is because of Paul Stevenson, the owner. And so I'm really excited. When I find out what all these updates are going to be, I'm also going to be doing a full video about it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I wanted to say. So if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.